Hi everyone, welcome back to the Healing Bite channel. Today's question is, are you struggling with weight loss? You're not alone. One common question many people have is whether bread, specifically wheat bread, could be a factor in weight gain. Today we're diving into the facts about wheat bread and its impact on weight. Stick around because at the end, I'll share some tips to make bread work for your weight loss journey instead of against it. Let's get started. Does wheat bread cause weight gain? Let's bust a myth. Wheat bread alone does not directly cause weight gain. However, the calories can add up. Eating too much bread, even the healthy kind, without balancing it with other foods could derail your progress. A single slice of wheat bread has about 70–100 calories. Add spreads like butter or jam, and the calorie count rises quickly. It's all about moderation and balance. Wheat bread is often considered a healthier alternative to white bread because it's made from whole grains. Whole grains contain more fiber, essential vitamins, and minerals. They also have a lower glycemic index, meaning they don't spike your blood sugar as much as white bread. Sounds great, right? But here's the catch. Even healthy foods like wheat bread can still contribute to weight gain if eaten in excess. One of the best things about wheat bread is its fiber content. Fiber helps keep you feeling full longer, regulate digestion, and control cravings. When choosing wheat bread, look for varieties labeled 100% whole wheat or whole grain to maximize these benefits. Can wheat bread be part of a weight loss plan? Yes. In moderation, wheat bread can fit into a balanced diet. Tips for enjoying wheat bread while losing weight. Watch your portions, pair with protein and healthy fats, choose whole grain, avoid added sugars, and keep toppings light. The key is balance and making informed choices. To support weight loss, it's important to make mindful choices about the type of bread you consume. Here are some type of bread to avoid when plan to lose weight. 1. White bread. 2. Bread with added sugars. 3. Enriched or refined grain bread. 4. Flavored or specialty bread. 5. Bread with low fiber content. 6. Pre-packaged and highly processed breads. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's on their weight loss journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on healthy eating and weight management. See you next time.